Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add picture-in-picture on any website. First of all, open up Chrome, type picture-in-picture. Go to Chrome extensions. As you can see that I have already installed it, so for you it will say add to Chrome. Just click on it and click on yes to test it. Now open up YouTube, go to any video, and just click on extensions and picture-in-picture. There you go. Now you can watch your videos like this in picture-in-picture. You can also drag it over other website or any application like this. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it to your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.